What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to create any AI app in literally a couple of minutes without writing any line of code. And I'm going to also show you a universal prompt that you can use to create any app that you want super easily. It's going to be a very easy to follow, so let's get started. Alright, so in order to build this app without writing absolutely no code, I'm going to be using Roark, and Roark is amazing, okay? So you just search it up on Google and open the first link. And then you sign in with your Google account, and then you obtain some free credits that you can use to get started. So when it comes to building the prompt of our app, we need to really be specific. The more in depth that we go, the better results that we get right away. So to make your lives easier, what I've done is created a universal prompt for Roark that you can just adapt into your app, and then it will just work, okay? So if you join my free school community, which the link is in the description, you will see this post with the universal AI prompt for Roark. It's just a PDF, so go over here and just download it, and then just go into ChatGPT and simply drag the PDF that you just downloaded into the chat, okay? And you will add it as a new file. And then you're gonna go into this icon over here where you can go from speech to text. And then we're gonna basically just dictate what app we want to build and adapt the PDF prompt to just be for our specific app. So in this case, we're gonna be building a workout routine app for those that wanna go into the gym. So it'll be very simple. Simply adapt this Roark prompt that I attached as a file to be as my app. The app that I'm building is a gym workout planner. So every day that you open the app, you'll get a set of workouts that you have to complete. As simple as that. There's no user login and there's no integrated AI API calls whatsoever. It is very simple. So simply adapt the Roark prompt that I attached as a PDF to be like this app. And now I'm gonna just let ChatGPT go ahead and simply adapt the prompt to be the one that we want it to be. So let's just wait a bit more. And as you can see, ChatGPT is already adapting our prompt to be like the one that we did. Now, obviously, we did miss some fields over here because we did not specify them on our actual prompt. So it's important to really go into the actual PDF and make sure that you read everything. But let's quickly just go to the dictate again and say, okay, I forgot to mention some fields. So the fields that I did not mention, just ignore them, okay? Remove them from the prompt. And that way, anything that we did not describe, we will just ignore it from the prompt, which is more than enough because we just want to focus on the main mechanics of our app. And that will just make our lives easier. Okay, and there we go. So you can see the ChatGPT just basically removed all the fields that I didn't mention. So now what we can do is just go ahead and copy this prompt over here. So basically just go here, right click and copy. And I'm gonna go into Roark, and right over here, just right click and paste this in. And now we have everything that we need. And then simply with that, you just go ahead and click this icon over here, and Roark will start building our app. Okay, there we go. So we now just basically need to wait. And there we go. As you can see, Roark created our workout planner app. And as you can see, it looks pretty cool. So we can go ahead and scroll down, and we have exactly what we said. The day that we want to go ahead and have the workouts, we say the day, which is push day, and we got all the exercises that we need, right? And literally this was from just one prompt, which is super easy. And now what we can do is maybe just add more features that we would like to, right? So for example, add a simple strike feature so that the user makes use of the app every single day just to maintain that strike or streak. I'm not sure how you pronounce it exactly here on the US. Let's go ahead and press enter, and yeah, let's go ahead and make more changes. And this is literally the ultimate vibe coding app if you just wanna don't worry about any crazy files with xcode or whatsoever. You're just making a super easy app by just typing code, and that's it. Well, not typing code, sorry, typing text. And by the way, I'm living here in Silicon Valley to literally bring you the latest tech and ways to do things. And this Roark app is actually founded right here in San Francisco where I'm at. So this is literally the latest of the latest. And there we go. As you can see, Roark added the strike feature, and now we have it over here in the top of the screen. And there we go. Everything is perfect. And the very cool thing about Roark is that you can also publish your changes or test them on your actual phone very easily. So it's basically a bit easier than Xcode and Cursor, which are the other ways that I also covered. But obviously with Xcode and Cursor, which are two other apps, you have a bit more flexibility and you can change things a bit more easily. But still, there's a lot of also integrations over here for the backend and also for the front end. So make sure to also check those stuff out because it's amazing. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and check out my school community, which is totally free, where you can actually learn how to build AI apps without knowing how to code. Let me know down in the comments what other apps you want me to create. And now, yes, with all said, bye bye.